Tommaso Moneto, who is Product Manager LCD TVs at Sharp. And we're here at the Sharp stand at IFA 2010. 3D is the key. You've got something really unique. It's the Quadtron technology. That's why you've got the yellow tie. Yellow is this year. Yep. Okay. Maybe you can explain us the technology and give us a brief overview of what that does for our viewers on the 3D.
Absolutely. Well, it's really exciting time for Sharp because they developed LCD television about 22 years ago, and they have not stopped developing this technology. So this year is all about yellow, like you said. What Sharp has done is basically recreated a completely new panel structure. So we have added a yellow sub-pixel into the standard RGB pixel structure that we had before. And that brings a unique number of benefits to the end users who are watching standard television, and now with the arrival of 3D, even better 3D images. But really, what does that mean? It means that with the yellow pixel, we get brighter images. Yellow as a sub-pixel allows more light to filter through the panel, and therefore we have brighter images. And that's really been one of the main drawbacks of 3D. When people watch standard 3D, they always complain that it's a bit too dark. And that's why yellow is really bringing out the brightness, allowing everybody to enjoy these nicer images.
It's a big difference.
Absolutely, yeah. We're talking about approximately 100 candelas. So, I mean, it's quite technical, but that means really that you get brighter images compared to any other television that you see out there at the moment. So it's really substantial. And really, what we are doing with our marketing campaign, which is you have to see it, is really saying to an end user, go into store, put the glasses on and compare to other screens that are out there. So we're letting the end
we've been doing here for the last couple of days.
And you know, like
two screens and
exactly. So it really talks for itself. Exactly. So that's really one of the key advantages. Then at Sharp we have developed a number of technologies which allow us to reduce what we call crosstalk. So that's when your brain retains two images that are meant to be actually separate to create the 3D effect. So you have a bit of fuzziness or blur in the image. But because our pixels respond very quickly and we have a special scanning backlight, it means that we are reducing this crosstalk effect. So images look really crisp, really clear, and there is no blur when you're actually watching 3D. So that's another advantage. In terms of color reproduction, you know, if you think the yellow sub-pixel is just like when you were in school drawing, the more colors you have in your palette to mix, the more colors you can create on paper. And it's the same pretty much on our TVs. We have an extra color that we can mix to create better greens, better aquamarine blues, and obviously better yellows and golds. Gold is really difficult to reproduce on a TV, and that's why these TVs really are spot on.
And the new TVs are energy savers as well. Compared to the other models, you get 50% less energy, is that right?
Absolutely. What's happening is that we have a very efficient backlight system to begin with, and together with a yellow sub-pixel, allowing more light to filter through, it means that we don't have to drive the backlight quite so hard, which in effect translates for an end user in a power saving and therefore saving them money. So that's really, it's a win-win for the environment and it's a win-win for the customer. So he gets a brighter image, it saves in terms of electricity cost, and everybody's happy.
I'll tell our readers and viewers, go out and see the difference.
Absolutely.
It's stunning.
Absolutely.
Tommaso, thank you very much for this interview. And
it's a pleasure. Absolutely. Thank you.